Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can try new CapCut trending template. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to click on the link mentioned in the description for the template and open that and click on use template in CapCut. I already given this template link in the description and click on use template and select any picture or video from your gallery. Select two clips, so I'm going to select two clips from here to show you an example. Click on next and now you can see that it is like that, and once you can add a text according to your choice. So here you can see that, and you can add text here also. And once you've done that, you simply need to click on export, and that export without watermark, or export if you want you can export without watermark and click on export. So by following these steps you can use and try CapCut new trending template. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.